Hello, Lindsay. This will probably be the last video feedback I'm able to give you, but I wanted you to know that if you have any hurdles or problems, don't hesitate to reach out. And from now until the end of the term, I bid you strength. Lindsay, I see that you have presumably some screenshots here. Let me just make this a little bigger. And of your process, good going. You probably want to knit that together with some narrative. Use these as illustrations as if you were telling a story of your progress with Illustrator and Photoshop and in the design of the ad. And I see you have a PDF of the print ad, and then presumably these are the Photoshop files and final GIF for the, that's Ji Yan's, by the way, in this class. And worth looking at, by the way, if you haven't done so already, in the discussion thread for week 6. So, okay, so when I'm opening your Photoshop file, and as before, I'm finding images that are not embedded. And this looks like, does this look correct to you? Well, anyway, here's the structure of your file. I think is fine. Go back to that. And I see that you've got, I see that you seem to have the appropriate tools. Did you use a video timeline? Let me see. Yes, it appears that you graduated to the video timeline. So I can't fault you for that. You're a step ahead of, there's a few other students that also did that. And I'll take a look at the GIF image to see how you animated it. But from what I can see here, you used the effects from previous weeks. It's a little granulated. You might try to find a way to save this at a little higher res. But I think you appreciate that. If you decide to use it, don't feel obligated to use the type effects from week 4. Okay, so here's the GIF that you submitted to the discussion board. I'm kind of drawn to the wiggling amethyst crystal, and it does center your focus, certainly. I think the type is a bit close to the edge here. You'll probably want to create a clean right edge and make sure that you have a little bit of margin. And while I like this, maybe if it was transparent, see if you can maybe reduce the opacity on this type layer, by 30% or something, just to see what that gets you. It's simple, it will attract the eye.